Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Banika and in this video I'm going to tell you guys how I created this look using really affordable products especially for college going girls. And before we start, please make sure to watch this video till the end so you can decide for yourself whether you like my content or not. And if you do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now on to the video. So to start, I already have my moisturizer and sunscreen on, so I'm just gonna pin my hair back. So now to my makeup, I always start with eye look first. So these are all the brushes that I use for my eye makeup. So I'm gonna show you the kind of look that I always used to do back in college. I have this palette from LA Colors. By the way, it's not a good palette. You should go for the Wet n Wild one. But right now, this is all I have. I'm using this lighter color as a transition shade. Dust off the excess. Then I'm gonna start with this part of my eye and work my way, just taking a little bit more, going back in on my crease and trying to blend this out as I work. And after this I would go in with this eyeliner. So this is from Wet n Wild and I just love this product. So I'm just gonna lightly line my eyes with this, just starting from the outer corner. I go with like the tiniest wing that I could create. This is it. This is all I would do. I'm gonna go in and line the rest of my eye. Yeah, and that is it. Now I'm gonna go over this eyeliner once more. This time I'm gonna make the eyeliner a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to take this flat brush. I'm gonna take this darker shade which I've already hit pan on, and I'm gonna slowly blend this liner. Slowly blend it upwards. I'm not gonna blend it like downwards. I'm taking the brush like this, making small strokes and trying to take it upwards. Can you just look how much depth it has already given to my eye? For this you have to take your time. It takes like 10-20 seconds to blend it nicely, but trust me, it is all worth it. Look how nicely blended this eye looks. Now onto the wing, you can also blend the wing. I'm just lightly gonna take it upwards, this wing. This is how it looks, and it gives your eyes that very, almond eye look. So with that, I'm done with my eye look. So I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna do my other eye off camera. Okay, so I'm done with the other eye as well. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the concealer by Maybelline, their Fit Me concealer. I just take out all the excess product here. I just dot a little product right here in the inner corners of my eye, and then I leave it like that for a second, and I'm going to go in at the corners, dotting it so I won't ruin the entire look. I'm going to take a little amount right around my mouth, and then I'm going to blend it with my BB cream. Now, if you are someone who likes more coverage when they go to college, like I like my imperfections to peek through my base, but if you are not that kind of a person and if you want that full coverage, you can go for the Maybelline Super Stay, and I am the shade Warm Nude in that one. And now I'm gonna blend it. Just gonna dab it under my eye. Other thing that you can do to blend your concealer in is use your ring finger and just tap it down. So you really want to get good amount of coverage. This is another way. Just look at the difference, man. And next I'm going to take a loose powder. I'm just going to lightly powder my eyes. I'm going to use a brush like this one, a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to dust off any excess. That is it. I'm now going to move on to my BB cream, and my favorite BB cream is this one from Lakme 9 to 5 range. It is a CC cream. I like to dot it more on the areas where I need it and then blend it. Never forget your neck. Now whatever is left on the back of my hand, I'm gonna take it with this beauty blender and blend everything in. I'm now gonna take a fluffy powder brush, and I'm gonna take this brush, not the loose brush. I'm gonna take this one. I've already hit pan on this. Like, I have used 3 of this already. I really like this one. By the way, this has SPF 40, and a lot of people believe like if your makeup product has an SPF, you don't need to use an SPF. That is not correct. Use an SPF 30 at least. So next up, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't know where have I kept the spoolie, but you can use it. It is not obviously not going to perform as well as a spoolie, but it will do the job. 2 products that I use are this one's from Maybelline. I use it only to fill like the front part of my brow, and then I use 2 of these depending on what shade I am currently that time. First up, I'm gonna fill like the outer corner. Making small hair-like strokes. Yeah, and this is it. Now if I had a spoolie, I would go over it to make it look more natural, but since I don't know where it is right now, I'm gonna use the same brush that is on this one onto the other brow. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Now, I never applied blush, but if you're someone who likes blushes, I would suggest you to invest in these ones. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint. Like, you can use it like both your lipstick and on your cheeks. So this one is Coffee Light, and the other one I have is Blush Velvet. I am just going to apply my mascara. The mascara that I love using is this one from Maybelline. It's the Colossal Mascara. And I just took out all the excess. Now lastly, the last step of this look is going to be my lips. I am going to be using this shade called the Blush Velvet from Lakme 925 range. This is such a pretty pink color. Now this is not something transfer proof, you have to reapply it, but if you want something to like stay all day long on your lips, then I would suggest the Powder Matte range, especially this one. This color is Almond Pink. I have used it so much. This color is like beautiful. When it starts to fade away, even if you eat the most oily food, it is gonna leave like a very pretty pink tint on your lips. And lastly, I am a big highlighter fan, and if you're not, don't use it, but I love it. This gives you such pretty glow. The thing that I do is I just do this with my face, and wherever like the light hits my face, I'm just gonna apply the slightest amount, not like a lot, just the slightest. The highlighter that I love using is this Wet n Wild one, or you can also use the Maybelline one. And also every product that I mention in this video is going to be listed down in the description box. If you're someone who likes using blush, then go with it. It's gonna look so pretty with this look. But this is the look that I did every day back in college, and I still do it. So with that, this is the completed look, and I love it. I still do it all the time, and if you want to give it a try, please do, and please share it with me on my Instagram. I don't post a lot there, but I would love to hear back from you guys and see what you created when you did this look, how it looked on you. I would love to see that. And until next time, take care and stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.